Welcome back. Group of petitioners who exposed alleged land scam at Kolvale now have demanded immediate intervention of Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Petitioners say Chief Minister should take in possession on all the documents pertaining to the issue of controversial land sale by the Housing Board to the Halankar Trust.
In the past few days, petitioners have procured more RTI documents relating to the issue of Housing Board's land sale to the Halankar Trust. Petitioners say the RTI document proves that there are discrepancies in the transaction for the land sale. One of the document reveals that Avinash Bhosle was not a member of the Housing Board at one of the meeting. But minutes of the meeting indicate that Bhosle chaired the 112th meeting of the board in absence of then board chairman Miki Pacheco.
In 412th meeting, the board decides to allot land to this charitable trust. The chairman was Mr. Miki Pacheco, who was not at all concerned with this transaction, so there was no need for him to go outside the meeting hall. Further, it is said that the meeting was chaired by Avinash Bhosle, who was not at all a member of the board at that particular point of time. And how the board and the chairman can authorize an unauthorized person to chair the meeting? That is our question.
Petitioners say it's high time that Chief Minister Digambar Kamath should conduct fair and detailed inquiry into the whole episode. Petitioners have further raised questions over the allotment of housing land and measuring over 23,000 square meters to the Halankar Trust at a nominal price.
Chief Minister also. So Chief Minister should also take the responsibility and take all the documents in his custody, because we have seen the others files are missing. So it should not happen that Goa Housing Board files are missing also. 23,772 square meters, which was earmarked for the housing project, is allotted for institution, a hotel management institute, at throwaway price of 1,000 rupees. When the market rate is almost 4,250 as specified in the minutes. So how can you do this?
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Rajya Sabha member Shantaram Naik has stressed that SEZ promoters should not be compensated by the Goa government. Earlier, Bombay High Court had dismissed petitions filed by the SEZ promoters. Naik has also asked Water Resource Department to prepare the terms of references for the Madai Tribunal. He says there is no question of sharing Madai water with Karnataka. Rajya Sabha member Shantaram Naik will meet the Union Commerce Minister Anand Sharma on Monday in New Delhi. Naik will take up the issue of denotifying 3 SEZs from Goa. Naik says now the government is free to denotify the SEZs and hence the promoters should not be compensated.
And दरम्यान हांव गोवा सरकाराक सांगतलो की ऑफिशियली तांकां कॉमर्स मिनिस्टराक हायकोर्टच्या निकालाची प्रत धाडून दियात म्हणून, कारण कॉमर्स मिनिस्टराक ती जाय पडटली. म्हणटकीच ते जशें तांकां मेळ्ळें की ते डिनोटिफाय करपाचो मार्ग मोकळो जातलो. आनी म्हजें स्वताचें मत अशें आसा की आतां हांकां कॉम्पेन्सेशन बेनिफिशियन दिवपा खातीर एंटरटेन करचें न्ही गोवा सरकारान. आतां गोवा सरकार कितें करतलो तो हांव सांगूंक शकना. हांव एक खासदार येयल्यान सांगता तांकां आतां म्हळ्यार करपाचें ना कॉम्पेन्सेशन करपाक. तुमी जर स्वता कोर्टान गेल्यात तर आतां तुमकां कॉम्पेन्सेशनाचो रायट ना.
Meanwhile, the MP has also decided to take up the Madai issue to the Union Water Resource Minister. Naik is of the opinion that there is no question of sharing Madai water with Karnataka and the terms of reference from the tribunal should be on these lines.
हांवें आमच्या वॉटर रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंटा खात्याक हांगा कितें सांगलां की जरी केंद्र सरकार जर थंयता तुमी एक ड्राफ्ट तयार करात टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरन्साचो. आतां हांव तुका सांगला तसो कोंकणीन सांगला एक ड्राफ्ट तयार करात आनी हो ड्राफ्ट स्वता व्हरून हांव केंद्रीय मंत्र्याच्या हातांत दिता. उदकाची वाटपाचेर आमी झगडी करनात. आमी सांगता हो प्रकल्पच जावपाक जायना, कारण गोंयचें पर्यावरण बिगडटलें, गोंय नश्ट जातलें आनी म्हणून प्रकल्पाक विरोध आसा.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. The villagers of Verla Kanka have opposed the Highland Park project coming up in the village. The Gram Sabha on Sunday witnessed a complete confusion, chaos and disorder. The villagers have threatened of a dire agitation if the decision is not revoked. The Gram Sabha at Verla Kanka witnessed some noisy scenes over the proposed Highland Park. The villagers strongly demanded that the Panchayat should revoke the license given to the proposed project in their village. Villagers claim that 40 to 50 flats mega project will create inconvenience to the villagers. They fear of water shortage and garbage menace in the locality.
आम्ही आज ग्राम सभेक मोठ्या संख्येन येयले आणि आम्ही आमचो प्रोजेक्ट आम्ही म्हटले की आता यांनी सांगला त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही रिवोक करून तांकां एप्लिकेशन हे केला आणि तो बरयल्ले हांव एक्चुअली मिनिट्स बुकान बरयल्ले हांव की आम्ही आता अजून कारवाई करता रिवोक करता म्हणून सांगला आणि मिनिट बुकान घातलेले आसा आम्ही व्हिडिओन वयतले आम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटान वयतले कित्याक आंदोलन करतले आमी व्हडलें आंदोलन करतले की कारण का डिमेल वाड्यार आमी लोक अशें एक जाला की असले प्रोजेक्ट तुमी करूं शकता पण कशें आमकांच सिस्टम ना आमकांच उदीक मेळना आमकांच गार्बेज प्रॉब्लम आहा आमची ड्रेनेज सामकी टोटल फेला इतलें करून हे प्रोजेक्ट दिता आनी दुसरें कितें वॉर्ड मेंबरांक कन्सिडर करिनासतना डायरेक्ट करता.
Sarpanch of Verla Kanka Vanessa Markins assured the villagers to study the matter and revoke the license.
We've heard their grievances, we find them valid. We will definitely take action towards their grievances. From the legal point of view, we cannot, there was nothing illegal to stop the file being passed. If we don't pass it, they will go to another appellate authority. So the grievances we will hear and we will make solutions for that. That we will consider.
Villagers were very agitated at the Gram Sabha and further threatened of an agitation. Our reporter in Verla Kanka, Shamsundar Fatte. Disha Charitable Trust released a book by Jacqueline Colasso titled Just Me Jacqueline on My Way. Trust also released a film on arthritis and a novel by Nambison named The Story That Must Not Be Told. Jacqueline's Colasso book is based on the arthritis. It is based on the personal experiences of the author.
Disha Charitable Trust had a busy day on Sunday. Trust released a book written by Jacqueline Colasso, a film on arthritis and a novel by Kaveri Nambisam titled The Story That Must Not Be Told. Both authors had a word of praise for each other.
And Kaveri has excelled herself entering into a very, very challenging domain where I think very few people in the public eye fear to tread.
The arthritis did not leave Jackie. And so Jackie decided that, well, if you're not going to leave me, you'll come along with me. And she just went ahead and did what she wanted to do. She started the Arthritis Foundation of India. Those of you who, please do read her book to find out, to be inspired by Jackie and enjoy the film.
Editor of Goan Observer, Rajan Narayan also spoke about the author Jacqueline Colasso.
Not only had breast cancer, but survived it. You know, I had 24 God used mode. I found that out, not because he likes to talk about his breast cancer, because when I had a breast cancer scare, and I thought that my breast was, I had cancer, he was the person who stood by me.
A video journalist from Parwari, Ravindra Dalvi.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.